Hi, in this video I want to show you how to apply your Lipsense Colour. The first thing you want to do is make sure your lips are clean and dry, that there's no makeup on it or anything like from old lipstick. So once you've done that, then you're going to apply 3 coats of the shade that you decide and a gloss to seal the color. And my gloss is right here. So this is what the gloss looks like. This is the Glossy gloss. So today I'm going to add 2 shades of Caramel Apple Diamond. That's one of my favorite shades. And 1 of Bombshell. So it's a light pink. And that's going to make a different shade. So you can mix different colors to make new shades. So you have to shake them really well. So the first one I'm going to add is 1 layer of Caramel Apple Diamond. And you don't need very much, just whatever is absorbed in the sponge, and you can just remove the excess. And when you apply your lip color, you want to make sure you don't smack your lips together, and you let it dry for 3 to 5 seconds between each layer. So I'm going to apply it now, and you can see how it's done. And then I just sealed my color in with my gloss. And today I use the Glossy gloss. And here is my new color. It's as simple as that.